Today, I'm going to tell you in this video, a man named Nolan Arbaugh, with a mind-reading chip in his brain. Nolan having a chip in his brain that can translate his thoughts into computer commands may sound like science fiction, but it is a reality for Nolan Arbaugh. In January 2024, he was paralyzed. The 30-year-old Nolan Arbaugh became the first person to get such a device from the U.S. neurotechnology firm Neuralink. Nolan, who is from Arizona, was paralyzed below the shoulders in a diving accident in 2016. His injuries were so severe he feared he might not be able to study, work, or even play games again. But when Nolan awoke from the surgery which installed the device, he said he was initially able to control a cursor on a screen by thinking about wiggling his finger. But after seeing his neurons spike on a screen, all the while surrounded by excited Neuralink employees, he said it all sort of sunk in that he could control his computer with just his thoughts. Nolan said, "I grew up playing games. Now I'm beating my friends at games, which really shouldn't be possible, but it is." Nolan played a game of online chess using his Neuralink BCI on a live stream on X in March 2024. Alongside the company's brain interface software lead, Bliss Chapman. Please subscribe and like my channel for more videos.